Okay, so the first thing we're going to need is the key, and then what we want to do is look underneath and you'll see a lock. So put your key in there, turn it, which will allow you to open up the control panel section by flipping the joysticks forward. Cool. Right, then you've got two screws, one here and the other one on the opposite side. So we'll remove those. Okay, this whole section lifts up and you'll probably want another person to hold it, and also just be careful that these don't come out. Alright, so I'll just hold this. Okay, so now you've got 6 screws that hold the side wall in. So there are 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. Yep. So we'll undo those. Okay, then that whole side piece comes off. Okay, then you would do the same for the other side. Right, so you've got this side here. I probably won't do this one now. So after you do that side, right, then you've got this whole control panel that needs to be unscrewed as well. So you've really just got the screws here. And then the other side, just gotta flip down now. Okay, then you really carefully want to just be able to push that in, which once you take this off, that will decrease your depth by about 1.5 inches, which will get you through your door. Okay, cool, thank you.